Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need practical foundations now. Install Python 3. 10 or newer and configure your environment with pyenv or the System Package Manager. Once done, focus on core syntax, variables, control flow, functions, classes, and exceptions so you can read and write idiomatic code. Make sure to build tiny projects immediately. Command line tools, data parsers, or half-day challenges. These first actionable steps teach you why patterns matter and create a loop of learning and feedback that accelerates skill acquisition. Once you can write code, shift to robust tooling so your work scales. Master virtual environments, pip tools, or poetry to pin and reproduce dependencies. Then, write tests with PyTest and set up CI pipelines so changes are safe. Add linters and formatters to keep code consistent. Make sure to build medium-sized projects, a REST API, a sync scraper, or a publishable package, because they force you to integrate architecture, packaging, and debugging practices that separate hobbyists from professional developers. You're nearly there. Pick a specialization, web, data, machine learning, automation, or infrastructure, and deliver a polished portfolio project that demonstrates end-to-end skills. Once complete, deepen technique. Use profiling, static typing with type hints, common design patterns, and basic security practices so your code is reliable in production. If things break, follow a troubleshooting flow, reproduce the bug, isolate failure, add logs, and bisect changes, and make sure to get code reviews and community feedback to avoid repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.